With thoughtful floor plans, perfectly equipped for your entire family. Once you realize what traveling in a 2021 Windsport from Thor Motor Coach is all about, you will never look back. As you look ahead to your destination, you'll love the way the new Ford F53 chassis rides and handles. The new architecture and suspension means you are behind the wheel of a better handling, better balanced, better braking Class A motorhome. The 7.3-liter 2-valve V8 gas engine creates 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque at 3,900 RPM. It's tied to a torque shift 6-speed automatic with overdrive, featuring a tow haul mode and hill start assist. Combine that with the Motorhome True Flat Floor Foundation, and you are in for a ride like no other. And the Windsport has an industry-leading warranty, featuring 12 years on the structure, a 6-year lamination, and 1-year limited warranty. The new instrument cluster displays the readouts you need: oil pressure, fuel, transmission temp. The digital readout gives you 2 trip meters, a look at your fuel economy, miles to empty, how much oil life is left, how many hours you have on the engine, and a few items you can customize. This new 10.1-inch touchscreen radio has all the high-end features you could ever want on a road trip. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can use your favorite navigation app. Anything you want to listen to can be found on SiriusXM satellite radio. You also have Bluetooth connectivity for phone or streaming music. Adjust the EQ to set your own tone. Choose the zone to pump that music through. You even have more options with microSD and USB slots. Topping it off, the high-res display of the TFT screen is your monitor for the backup and side view cameras for the heated remote mirrors. You'll also find conveniently located switches for the sunshade, overhead lights, gen start, and windshield fans, along with a number of cup holders for your favorite on-the-road drink. Just over to the left of the wheel are your one-touch leveling jacks. Having a great view while you sit at the flip-up workstation always makes you smile. Now, people will tell you when looking for the best Class A gas motorhome, you need the perfect floor plan. Then you need to see what the Windsport is serving up for you and your family. Just look at what you have to choose from. Great kitchens. Every seating option you could ever want. Bath and a half models. Bunks. Now this is how you get away from it all. As we take a tour of the different floor plans, you'll notice the new colors of wood, fabrics, flooring, and countertops. Starting up front with the swivel captain's chairs and pedestal table. This is a great place to sit and relax, or have the kids hang out and play a game. Every Windsport comes with the Dream Dinette. This is a wonderful area you'll use for family meals, where everyone can sit and enjoy the time together and plan out the day over breakfast. Or set up the laptop and connect to your own secure internet connection with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. Now you're ready to do a little work, catch up on school, or share pics of your amazing trip. Having a big, comfy couch is always welcome in any home. And you'll love spending time here, curled up in front of the available fireplace or with the 4-legged members of your family. You never know when family movie night is going to happen, so you can get your Windsport with these great theater seats. This is how entertaining on the road is meant to be. Pop a movie into the Blu-ray player, or connect a gaming console or your favorite streaming device. Now you have all the entertainment you need when you feel like staying in. Want some popcorn with that movie? Then head into the well-equipped Windsport kitchen. You can do much more than heat something up in the microwave. You have a 3-burner gas cooktop with oven, a frost-free residential refrigerator, solid surface countertops, and a double bowl stainless steel sink with covers. With the pantry, drawers, and cabinets, you'll be able to bring along the ingredients and gear you need to make family favorites. Spacious bathrooms are part of the Windsport experience. You have a shower with glass door and skylight, storage for linens, a medicine cabinet, a porcelain toilet. If you need a bath and a half, then you'll want the 35M. You have a midship bath for kids or guests, and the master bath off the bedroom. Tour the bedroom of any Windsport floor plan, and you'll find a king bed. The nightstands and dresser tops are large and functional with all the outlets you need. Closet space is not an issue in the Windsport, and some floor plans are prepped for a stackable washer and dryer. Here's a trick the Windsport loves showing off on the 34J. You have much more than just these comfortable bunks. Check out this closet. It's extra long with extra large hanging space for all your clothes. With or without bunks, you still have a number of wonderful places to sleep. The sofa and dinette make into a bed, and you have the drop-down overhead bunk, which can be controlled using Rapid Camp Plus. Download the Vega Touch Mira app, and now you can keep an eye on your Windsport from inside or outside the coach. Extendable retract slides. Turn on your dual roof ACs or furnace. Open and close vents. Monitor your tank levels. Set your auto gen start for the gas generator. Monitor your power from the 50 amp shore power to the 1000 or 1800 watt inverter. You can also extend your power awning and have it ready when you spend the day outdoors. And on a day like this, out here is where you want to be. You're under the blue skies, while up top, the 100 watts of solar charging is working hard to keep you out here longer. Under those beautiful new colors of paint, you'll find large storage bays with pass-through storage. Out back, on select floor plans, you have an exterior kitchen. And look at this setup. A cold drink straight out of the fridge. A sink to wash up in before you fire up the grill hooked to the exterior propane connection. Now it's time to catch a favorite show or listen to your favorite music on the exterior Bluetooth soundbar as you sit back and rewind the highlight of the day. This is what traveling is truly about. This is the 2021 Windsport from Thor Motor Coach. Find the Windsport floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.